Let's take a quick look back at 2025 for Singh on a Brompton. Honestly, what a year it's been. From travelling in India, Punjab and Delhi, riding around Rome, testing the Brompton G Line, taking on London to Paris bike ride fundraising for Mind the Mental Health charity, the Brompton World Championship, visiting the Brompton factory, travelling with the bike on the Eurostar, riding from Alfriston to the Seven Sisters Cliffs, attempting my first 100-mile ride on the Brompton and cycling in Bristol with Velo Works. It's been absolutely non-stop. This channel is really just my way of sharing what I love. Brompton bikes, travelling, cycling challenges, and the people I meet along the way. The support has honestly blown me away. I started this channel with 0 subscribers and now we're over 5,000, which is kind of mad when I actually stop and think about it. It really shows people are enjoying the content and that motivates me massively. Going forward, I want to share more about my journey into the world of Brompton, how to choose the right Brompton, which one might suit you best, plus some tips, gear recommendations, and things that I've learned over the years. What works for me might not work for everyone, but hopefully it helps and gives you a few ideas. I also want to explore more of the world on 2 small wheels and bring you along with me. I want to show you that there are no limits to where a Brompton can take you. Sing on a Brompton is all about enjoying life, turning negative energy into something positive, staying healthy and exploring, all on 2 small wheels. Looking ahead for this year, I've got loads of ideas. Some of them are bigger rides, collaborations, organised group rides within the Brompton community. I won't give too much away right now, but let's just say there's a lot happening behind the scenes. What I can say is that 2026 is about pushing things further. More travel, more challenges, more stories, more to support great causes, and more ways to show what's possible on a Brompton. A massive thank you to everyone who's followed, subscribed, supported, and sponsored the channel so far. It genuinely means a lot, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe and stick around. If you've enjoyed the journey so far, you'll definitely want to stay tuned because this is only just getting started. Thanks for being part of the journey, and I wish you a great year ahead.